Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel Easy to Learn 494 and my name is Ahmed Javed. In this video today we are discuss about how to calculate main cable for the reserve load. If load is mentioned and you know how much load in kilowatts, you can calculate the cable, and these regulation and all information I get from the regulation of electrical work in UAE, and I also mention the link below in my comments box. You can download book in PDF and you can study if you need more information. At here we are working in the electrical regulation according to the rules and regulation in UAE Department of Energy and AADC, Alain Distribution Company, and Regulation and Supervision Bureau. The book name is the Electricity Wiring Regulation 2020. I give this download link in my description. You can download this book and you can study from here if you need more information. Now at here we show you some connected load in kilowatts and how much use cable for this cable size in millimeter scale. That's according to the units about wire cable size. It's up to you what is you mention here, and breaker size in amperes. Now if we have load from 0 to 14 kilowatts, for this load we use 4K core into 10 mm square cable, and for this we use breaker size for this cable 14 ampere. At from 0 to 14 kilowatts load we use 4 core 10 mm square wire, and breaker for this cable and this load is 440 ampere. And next, if we load from 4.1 kilowatt to 24 kilowatt, we use 4 core into 16 mm, and for this we use 13 ampere breaker. Main breaker this breaker is all used in MDB. Your from coming from the feeder pillar cable, and here is the MDB also located in the electric room. From 24 to 21 kilowatt to 34 kilowatt we use 25 mm square. For this we use 18 ampere breaker size. From 34.1 kilowatt to 47.9 kilowatt, I don't know what is the relation between this, but the loads are given in the regulation, electrical regulation in UAE is mentioned in its regulation book in 2020 version. I don't know why it's what is the relation between this load, but this is according to rules and regulation in UAE. For this we use 4 core into 35 mm square. For this we use 100 ampere main breaker. From 48 kilowatt to 58 kilowatt. At here I show you some little information, but if you need more, if you need to know more breaker size, you can download and read this book. At here because my video is very long, so I make a very short and very informative and very important video for you. Please like and subscribe my channel if you need more information regarding to the electricity and how to draw capacitor bank, and how to use electrical drawing, and how to read electrical drawing, and other capacitor bank, cable size, breaker size, how to calculate load size, how to calculate load breaker, and how to calculate cable size, how to calculate cable load. I am in my next coming video, I make different kind of video and UAE regulation. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you later. Thank you.